This is a philosophical question that has puzzled philosophers and scientists for centuries. There are several different theories about why there is something rather than nothing, but ultimately, it is a question that may never be fully answered. One theory is the concept of the cosmological principle, which suggests that the universe has always existed and has no beginning or end. According to this theory, the universe has always been here and will always be here, and there is no need to explain why there is something rather than nothing. Another theory is the idea of the quantum fluctuation, which suggests that the universe came into existence through a random fluctuation in the vacuum of space-time. This theory proposes that, in the emptiness of the universe, there is a constant background of energy that can spontaneously give rise to particles and antiparticles, which can then combine to form matter and antimatter. Ultimately, the question of why there is something rather than nothing is a fundamental and deep mystery that may never be fully understood. It is a question that has spurred much philosophical and scientific inquiry and will likely continue to do so for centuries to come.